Yo, I had to pull over for this one. Check it out. 77,777. Yo, that's crazy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So just as the title says, I installed another lip on my TL, and I also installed some splitters. Just installed it yesterday, and I couldn't really record it just like how I would, only because the neighbors were making a ton of noise. I'll show a clip of it right here. Yep. Sorry guys, you hear that noise? Yeah. Can't record how I usually do. They're literally playing real life Fortnite over there. Yeah, like literally, I don't know what they're building over there. It's a house behind a house. I don't even know. Installation was pretty much the same thing as the STI lip. Just basically place it under the car, bolt it up, and you're pretty much good to go. So this lip was advertised as an 07, 08 Acura TL Type S lip. But you know my car, it's 06, does not have the Type S bumper, but it does have an A-SPEC kit on it. So basically I'm putting a lip on a lip. I think this is a good option for those that can't find an A-SPEC kit for the Type S. It does look really good though. So the general shape of the lip is pretty much deformed when you get it out of the box, just because they have to fit it inside that box. I totally get it. It saves on shipping or whatever. It basically looks like a Nike check rather than a U shape that it's supposed to look like. But all that aside, it does look really good. Installation is really easy. I did run into a little issue, but I already have a solution for it. As for the side splitters, they are universal, bought them off eBay just like the lip, and I've been looking for a splitter kit for a while, something that won't break the bank. Obviously the high-end ones are top-notch quality. You gotta pay to play basically, and I'm talking about the ones from Artwork Body Shop. Those are ridiculous. They look super high quality, but they also break my bank. I think a full splitter kit will end up being over a G, over a grand. So that's crazy. As for the splitter, I got it off eBay, you know, about 60 bucks. It's not necessarily cheap, but at least it's not crazy expensive. I was looking for something low key and just fits. So I measured out the side skirt and tried to find one for that same size, if not a little bigger, so that I can trim it out. I did end up trimming it. I'd rather have it longer than shorter, because if it is longer, I can trim it to fit how I would want it. And I pretty much got it exact. I did have to trim about 2 or 3 inches, but it actually fits great. Installation was super easy. I just had to jack up the car, put some screws in there, and that's pretty much it. The ones I got were pretty much fake carbon fiber. It's carbon fiber print. I don't like the looks of it, so I might spray it or wrap it in the future. The only thing I don't like is it is a little dull gray. I would want it more black, so that's why I might paint it in the future. But it doesn't look super cheap like the Easy Lip stuff, which is, you know, it does the job. It's really easy to install. You can easily remove it too, so I understand the Easy Lip stuff. I'm pretty satisfied with it, besides being dull gray and the carbon fiber print. So things might change in the future, but for now I'll leave it on and maybe it'll grow on me. Alright, let's go outside and check it out. Ooh, TL is looking good. Just gave it a quick wash, and you can see a little glimpse of the lip and the splitter. Let's check out the splitter. Kind of actually matches the car. It is like dull gray, and I don't like the color, but I'll rock it for now and see if it you know, grows on me. You can pretty much customize it how you want. Like, you can stick it out a little more, but like I said, I wanted something low key, so it sticks out about 2 inches, and then it cuts in, and then it's about 1 inch that it sticks out. But I really like how the way it looks. Super easy to install. It adds a little touch that I really like. This is the top view. As you can see, it doesn't stick out that much, which I actually really prefer. Yeah, and that's it. And you can kind of tell it's there. It looks really dope though. Pretty low key. I actually really like it. Alright, let's check out the lip. And like I said, it's made for the Type S with no A-SPEC kit. So I'm not sure if this is going to look exactly like this. If you have an 07, 08 and you slap it on the A-SPEC, not sure how it's going to look, but this is with my A-SPEC, the earlier years 04 through 06 A-SPEC kit. The only fitment issue I have is right here. I can't really do anything about it, but I think I can cut the inside over here. So it is formed together. I think if I cut this, I'll be able to slide it up a little more and eliminate that gap right here. It's a little gap. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but yeah, that's how it's looking from the side. Makes it look really aggressive, and I love it. and I'll show you another issue from the front that I had. You see how the front is a little deformed? Yeah. When the lip comes in, it comes inside that box, and when you unravel it, it makes a little hump over here. So that's why this is lower than this side over here. So checking this out, as you can see, there's like a little hump right here. It's all dark and black inside, so it's hard to tell. But this lump right here makes the lip push down a little more. And on the other side, see, you can't see the gap right here. What I plan to do is add a 1 or 2 inch spacer, rubber spacer, so it's going to bring this down a little more and make it more even. But I'm actually really liking how the way it looks. Yeah, pretend this is a flat, guys. Other than that, I didn't really have any issues installing it. It was actually really easy. It took about 30 minutes just because I wanted everything to fit perfect. But that's not the only issue, guys. So this does make the front lower, and I do scrub on the driveway like pretty bad. I went one time right here already scraping. So this is day 2 of having the lip on, and I already scraped on the driveways. So I'm gonna have to raise my car, definitely.
Day 3.
Hey, so we're back again, guys. This is actually day 3. Can't believe it's taken 3 days to put on this damn lip. But it's finally done, and let's check it out. So as you guys can see, fitment is a lot better. We still get that hump on this side, but that's okay, because you see these 2 things. As you guys can see, there's 2 little spacers. They're plastic, they're not rubber, and they are actually furniture feet. Yes, you heard that right, furniture feet. It is a satin black piece of plastic. It's triangular shape, but it works perfect for this application. So these 2 I actually did have to cut up. So when it first came in, I think it advertised as 2 inches total, maybe a little bit more. I cut it down to total length is about 1.5 inches. You can see a little sneak peek of it right here. Yeah, and it actually does a great job. Same thing over here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is dark black, so it is pretty low profile and hard to see because it does match with everything. So this is day 3, and I most definitely scrape on even more things. I know the common places where I do scrape my A-SPEC kit, and I go extra slow and at an extreme angle now because of that. That driveway sucks. Here's another angle. It's super sunny right now, and that hump still exists over here. So when it does go into winter mode, this lip will be coming off just as a precaution. And then maybe in the spring I'm gonna heat it up back to its original form, and it should look better. See this? Yeah, it's a little curved. It should be like more like that. This will do for now. It looks so dope, looks super aggressive. So I did try to create a full splitter kit without breaking the bank, and I'm not trying to knock on anything from Artwork Body Shop. I know you do get quality stuff from them, but I did try to put something together to make a full splitter kit. And yesterday in the video you'll see a white rectangular box. So that white box from yesterday was a rear lip / spat. I forget what it's called. That rear spat didn't work out. Fitment was okay. I did have to modify it a little bit, but it wasn't up to my standards, so that's why I scrapped it. It is fairly cheap, around 20 bucks. So for the full splitter kit that I created would be around 300 bucks. For the front lip, you can use the STI lip. That's around 60-70 bucks. The side splitters can be had for probably cheaper. The rear spat was only about 20 bucks, and the rear diffuser was about 40 or 50. So depending on the parts that you pick, it can range from $200 to $300 for a full splitter kit. If you guys are interested in the lip or the side splitter, I'm gonna leave a link for it down below so you guys can check it out. That about wraps it up, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.